Hello viewers, welcome back to our section. So you may think why ma'am is calling us a viewers, we are all children, right? So viewers in the sense you are watching my videos, you are all viewers only, no? So that I said viewers. So okay, I think everyone is fine, am I right? Okay, well and good, everyone is fine. So what we are discussing in the before session, children? In the before session what we discussed, we are doing the revision, am I right? Which revision we are doing, children? So fa1 revision. So okay, well and good, we have completed our fa1 portion also and we are doing a fa1 revision. Okay, good. And fa1 exam is there. Sorry, I said you that fa1 exams will be on 19th. A little bit correction. So fa1 exam is 20. So 23, 24, 25. So I don't know. So it will be from next Wednesday onwards. Okay. Everyone be ready for the exams. So next Wednesday means 21, 22, 23. So these 3 days our exams will be. So everyone be ready for the exams. Exam pattern will be in the same pattern, in the sense the subjects will be in the same. So on the first day it will be Telugu and the math, and the next day Hindi and the science, and also next day English and the social. So it is in the same way. The pattern is in the same. So everyone prepare for the FA1 exams. So the portion which I said, lesson number 1 and the lesson number 2. So lesson number 1 and 2. So these are only for the FA1 exam. So be ready for FA1 exams. So I already explained you clearly what will be there in the lesson 1. So I have given a brief discussion. Am I right? So those are only there in the first lesson. So already I hope so many members have done the revision of first lesson. So well and good. How if you have completed a revision of first lesson, okay, you can go into the second lesson. You can enter into the second lesson. You can read the second lesson. And those who have not done the revision for the first lesson itself, so please children, don't neglect everything which is there is very very important. Okay, so don't neglect your studies. So if you are neglecting these studies, you are wasting this year. Okay, so as ma'am said, so really if you are not keeping any interest, means you are only wasting the time. So whatever maybe the time is there, you are seriously wasting it. Okay, so okay, whatever it may be, I hope the best in the sense everyone is doing the revision properly. So whatever the first lesson is there, that all I explained in the first revision. So I already gave the homework also. What I said you to do, these children. So everyone read the textbook. Whatever the textbook is there, read the textbook thoroughly, so that it will help you to write the answers in the exam. So whatever they can ask, what is a chikori? Chikori means what do you will write? Some people will be there, no ma'am, it is out of syllabus, it is not there in the portion. So everyone will tell in the same way. Is it correct? No. Chikori means already we read in the amazing facts only. I said what is a chikori. So it will present in the coffee plants, it will be present. It is like a branch. I said no. So what purpose we will use this? So if you want that all details, you have to read whatever the brackets down it is there in the lesson. So that all we have to read. Then only we'll come to know our first lesson thoroughly. Okay, well and good. I hope everyone read the first lesson. Just I'll tell the question and answers. I'll explain each and every question and answer, so that it will be easy to you people to write the exam. Okay, so everyone open your workbooks. So everyone open your workbook. Yeah, children. Yeah. See here, children. Already, what is there first? If you are seeing page number 6, so if you are observing page number 6, clearly means what do you observe, children? So finding varieties in our food. So finding varieties, different types of varieties. Okay, which are there. I already said no. So take an exam in the first class. I said no. Take tabular form. So now if you are not available, the friends are not available with you, like write the family members' names. So whatever the varieties are there, so list out that. Okay, in the same way they have list out that they have entered the student names and also the food items they have entered. So are there any everyday food item on the list of your and your friends is same? So yes, so we are having some same rice, dal, curry, curd are the common items in both the list. So maximum in the maximum list, rice, curd and dal. Okay, and the curry. So whatever may be the curry. So if you are cooking ladies finger curry and the other one may cook the Rijgar curry. So whatever may be, so it is a common in the list. Next, count down the number of varieties have listed in the table. So how many food varieties we have listed in the table? They have written. Do all the students eat the same type of food items? So every student who is there in the session, so in the class, so they are all eating the same varieties of food? No, someone may eat chapati and someone may eat rice. So the different way. So most of the people will eat different. Okay, and maximum, so the Andhra people who are there, so maximum they are having the same style of food. Maximum they will eat rice and the curry in the afternoon. So afternoon time they will not eat more chapatis. So maybe in the night time, during the night time they may eat chapati, but maximum in the afternoon time they will eat rice and the curry, and the curd is common and the dal is also common. Next. So preparing of my favorite food. So whatever the favorite food is there. So upma. So upma is a favorite food. So some people have interest on upma. So you have to list out the ingredients and you can write the preparation methods. I already said no, whatever the first lesson covers with sources of food, ingredients, preservative methods, still what are there, student? Preservative methods, sources. So the maximum covers with this only, first lesson. Okay, this sources means from plants and the animals, and the preparation method. And also I already said no, Sugandha Dravyalu. So Sugandha Dravyalu means what? Okay, I said I'll ask questions in the middle from the first lesson what I have read in the from the textbook. So from that I'll ask the questions. I said no. So what is the Sugandha Dravyalu means what, children? Huh? So whatever we'll use, no, what we'll say. I already said in the first lesson you should not tell the names in the Telugu. So you have to use the names at the cinnamon sticks, whatever it may be. So the cloves and all this you have to use it in English. So in the same way, Sugandha Dravyalu means whatever you will use for masalas, powders, those are called as Sugandha Dravyalu. Yeah. Okay, coming to the next. Ingredients you wrote and also the processor you wrote. And coming to the next page. So whatever the ingredients they have given in a tabular form, and they said you to write the plants and the name of the plant. Already we have done this tabular form. So the next also parts also we wrote, and method of preparation. So boiling, steaming. So these are all given, and you have to write which methods they will use. So for example, if it is boiling means what do you use for boiling? So egg we will boil, potatoes we will boil. So sweet potatoes in the same way. Steaming means what do you do? Idli. So fermentation means idli, dosa, those are all use of fermentations. So roasting means potato, so you will roast, and also cauliflower, and also chicken, fish, peanuts you will roast. Deep frying means fish, pakoda, samosas, puris, okay, vada. These are all in the deep frying. Shallow frying means meat, chicken, fish, potatoes. They will use the shallow frying. Chopping and mixing. So salads, in the salad you will chop the carrot, okay, and also coriander, cabbage. These all will make it into small pieces, okay, and you will mix it in a like a salad. You will add a salt and also lemon if you are adding, and if you are eating means okay, it is also one of the breakfast. It is the healthiest breakfast. So maximum members who will go to the gym and all, they will follow this type of salads. So they will eat salads in the morning, okay, carrot, small pieces, they'll cut into the small pieces and they will eat, okay, without cooking the raw food. Cutting and mixing. So cutting means we'll cut every vegetables, okay, we'll cut every vegetables, and the onions also we'll cut, and the fish, chicken also we'll cut and we'll use, okay. And also next, what are there, we use some ingredients in plenty, but others are needed in a small quantities. Why so? So we'll use plenty of some, for example, if you are thinking as a onion, so we will use in a plenty amount, but others, so others, for example, I'll tell an example in my family only. So for example, in our family we'll use onion more, but coming to the my mother's side family, so in one of the family they'll use onions less, because they hate the onions, so that they'll use a less amount, or else some, what do you say, different so for example now, why in that Vishnu's, so Lord Vishnu's devotees will be there, no, they'll not use garlic and also the onions more. So they will use a normal they'll cook normally, so without onions and without uses of garlic they'll cook. So in the same way, this we can tell. And also in some other families, so for example, if you are taking a north side people, they'll use turmeric. The turmeric powder will be there, no, whatever, if you are seeing the curries means it will be full in yellow color, so they will use more turmeric than us, okay. We'll use it in a little bit, we'll use it in little bit, okay. But when compared to North Indian people, they'll use more turmeric, okay, in the same way. So different, so some people will use more quantity of some vegetables or some powders or whatever it may be. So some people will use a less manner. So for example, if you are seeing this side means, so mostly in all curries they used to add garlic and a ginger paste. So but in the other sides they will not use, only in some specified curries only they will use the ginger garlic paste. But in some places they will use compulsory, the ginger garlic paste should be there in every food item. So in this way, so they will have their own traditions, so they will follow their own tradition. So we should not we should not tease them. So yeah, why, if you are seeing their curries means yeah, it is fully in yellow color, so we should not tease them, okay. So next, so what are the ingredients for pachi pulsu? Pachi pulsu means how we have to cook, okay. And also coconut chutney, jalebi, onion pakoda, okay. So maximum you may think that we are boys, why we need this all, ma'am, we don't want any such type of what is that, cooking methods. But if you are thinking in that way, so many people, for example, your fathers are there, they are not cooking, they are cooking, no, so how do they know cooking? So they are also boys only, no, so when you are in your age, they are also boys only, so how they are cooking? Yeah, so once one time, so we don't know that time, so we'll go out for a job, then who will cook for us? So your mother will come along with you wherever you are going, no. So in the same way you have to learn, okay. In this way, if you are learning, you are just learning, you are not cooking, no, you are not going inside the kitchen and you are not, Okay, just you have to learn. Okay, cooking is not a bad thing. I'm a boy, I should not cook. Those are all, keep it out from your mind. Okay, everyone is equal. Okay, a girl child and a boy child is same. Okay, don't think more. Yeah, these are all process of upma and our snacks, so your choice. So maximum you may get that maximum. I already said no, in the 4 marks question, maximum tomato curry or upma or a snack compulsory you may get. If they want to give question from the, if they want to give question from this pattern, means they'll give in this lesson, from this lesson 4 marks question means compulsory those will be there. And also appreciation, condiments means, oh, they are used for the fragrance materials. Fragrance means for a good smell. Okay, those are all cardamom, cloves. So they have given the spellings wrong, children. Page number 13, second question. Cardamom, cardamom, and the cloves, in the place of cloves they have given clone. Wrong, cloves. Cinnamon, bay leaves. Bay leaves means you will tell, no? So in Telugu, palavaku they will tell, no? So those are called as bay leaves. So cardamom means ilachi will be there, no? So green color. So they'll tell the cardamom. So not only green color, I think it will be there black also. Black cardamoms also will be there. So those are called as cardamoms. Cloves means I already said, no, like lavangalu will tell, no? So those are called as cloves. Cinnamon means dalchina will tell, no? So those are called as cinnamon. Pepper, so everyone know pepper, miriyalu. So these are some condiments. They are also used for a medicine purpose. So medicinal properties will be there. For example, if you are feeling a cough and a cold, so if it is more cold, means they will tell drink turmeric powder. So keep turmeric powder in the milk and drink, or else you can drink pepper powder. So you can add pepper powder and in the milk and you can drink, then it will give some relief for the cold. So like that they'll use like a medicinal properties. For example, tulasi. So these are all under medicinal properties will be there for this. Okay, so condiments not only add a flavor but also give a good texture to the food. So it will not only add the flavors but the look texture. So if you are seeing, means it will be in a good, for example, if you are seeing the biryani, means for looking only we can give the judgment. So for example, if you are going any for the food items, so if any food competitions will be there, no? So cooking competitions or dress competitions, so whatever it may be, first they'll give for the presentation, they'll give marks for the presentation. So in the same way, this will give good texture to the food item, so which we are cooking. So next, the preservative methods. Preservative methods are you will add sugar syrup, okay, sugar syrup, and also boiling, okay, boiling, and also frying, okay, salting. So these are all comes under preservative methods. Okay, so for example, if you want to cook for different if you want to for example, pickle, if you want to do the pickle, means you will use the preservative methods, because it will be for long year, so 1 year or 2 years it will be, so that we will use the preservative method. So for example, if you want to do the pickle, so mango pickle you have to do, means you will add the oil and the salt. So if the oil or salt is less, means then it will not stay for a long time. So in this way our preservative methods will be, okay, fermentation process also. So these are in our first lesson. So maximum our first lesson covers with these all topics. So our first lesson, just whatever it is there, the explanation is completed. So in the next session, so I'll ask the question and answers, and also I will give a brief a discussion about the question and answers. So each and every question I'll read and I'll give a brief discussion about the question and answer. Maximum the discussion of first lesson is completed, but now what I said that only will be there. So nothing more than that. So maximum it will be covered in these topics only. So maximum next in the next topic I'll continue with the second lesson, or else I'll ask the bits, each and every bit and each and every question I'll read, okay, and I will explain it again. Okay, so first lesson is completed till, okay, so try to read the first lesson, and if you got the first lesson then you can move to the second lesson. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my video. Okay, stay home, stay safe, prepare well for, yeah, if even exam.